in Tampa.
And what are we doing?
We're going ride.
All right, we're going ride. God, we can't see shit. We got
to go. What up, guys? We're here in Tampa. We're about to go for a fucking epic ride today. Frenchie's a little bit down in the dumps because he didn't get laid, but we're gonna get him laid, all right?
Tampa Megaride 2024.
Those gloves aren't even, they don't have fingertips anymore.
It's because I hand drag so much, bro. You put it on. Actually, I don't trust myself. All right, Bat Razor Kid, you want to say what's up? Intro? What are we doing? This is the what? The Megaride? Crashing? Yeah.
You're on the wrong leg.
Yeah, maybe. All right, guys, and we are off to the Megaride, the day ride Megaride. We got everyone cruising. We've got Zay on the Razor today because his E-Ride Pro, the subframe snapped, and the other Surron loaner he was using, he looped. So now he's on the Razor. Let's hope he doesn't loop it. But the benefit there is I get to switch off between the Razor and the Triple X, which is cool. So, and we're pulling up to the spot. Corona empty? Yeah, that was clean. Not one single drop. There's gotta be more than 200 this year. Hey, is this Surron PVD? What's up, bro?
And our motherfucker showed up with 60% battery.
I don't even know. I don't jump. Come on now. CJ, what's good, bro?
What's going on?
How we doing? Oh shit, he sent that. I'm getting out of the way here. Oh, Frenchie. Stay still.
Put it wherever you want, wherever you. Where's my speaker?
Oh yeah, I got you. Here, oh, you got the New York City Megaride one on too? Dude, I love the dressed up.
Oh, yes, sir.
Dude, you gotta be sweating your balls off though.
A little bit.
All right, guys, here we go. Surron Megaride 2024, Tampa Bay.
Back in that.
Pull it up, Matt. Let's see it. Guys, my mic did this weird echoey thing for the first couple minutes here, but once you get to 4 or 3, we're back to normal on the mic, so just bear with me.
We stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she slide and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that shit doing. Then she took that thing off and bring it around.
Someone drop a phone?
Me in a hole, I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa. I'm saying that. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah. I'm saying that. I'm back in that.
Switch. I want to ride the Razor.
Yeah. I'm back in that. Hey, where you going? Hey, back in that bag again. Bring me around your friends. You know that I'm bagging them. Request me on Facebook. No, I ain't adding them. Positions I had her in. Hit from the back. That pussy was flattering. Calling her friend. Tell her pull up. Word, let's make it a
Finger drag. This feels just like actually legit. This is Trip NF30s Razor. It's like got some sort of QS motor in it. I don't even know, but dang ribs. Just gotta slide back a bit. Mini start. This is so much nicer, dude. Wow. This just feels legit. Should I now wheelie it? Okay. All right, we're on fixing stuff, Spike. Woo-hoo-hoo! This thing rips, and he's got a little duck. Holy shit! Damn. With the 72. Looks so clean. Oh yeah, all right. Break one hand. I see it. Guys, apologies if my mic is up on and off. I'm just gonna run it, but you know, we're still vibing. I got a couple Allen keys. What do you need? I don't have any wrenches. Oh, was looking for a high five. Damn, shit show.
Everybody get in.
Into the park we go. All right, we had a quick public stop, but guys, I'm sorry, my mic has been going on and off with shit, so like, I don't know what the deal is, so apologies. Good. If some of these clips are but it is what it is. Look at the circles in the grass too. Or we got wheelie stunts on the Razor. You don't have a front brake. Dude, now when the cops... Wait, you don't trust me? What's wrong?
You gonna take this fender off or?
I think this is dank wheelie. Let's see it. Woo! Up to the seat stander. Oh.
What the fuck?
Look at this little kid on the Razor.
Is that a Razor?
Yeah, with big ass wheels. Come on, Ben, let's wheelie. Woo! Oh baby, oh baby, we're getting comfortable with those now. Hope my mic's working. Swervy. Oh, oh baby, they're going off. Oh, look at that beautiful foot lock right there. Foot locks for the Surron or for the Telaria XXX. Go to emotoworks.com. These are made by Astroworks. But Dave and William, they're both dope, so help support a dope brand. Oh shit, I'm not on the Razor.
Oh!
Yeah.
Shit.
This shirt keeps going under my butt and making me slip everywhere, but it's all good. Still good vibes. Woo! Bruh, 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 bruh. Valk. Whew. Woo! We got biker boy Brent right here. Woo! Is he gonna hand drag this thick? Damn, bro. Hey.
Hey man.
Hot as shit, huh?
Yeah, fucking God.
How's you doing battery?
50.
That's not bad, dude. That's not bad. I'm impressed. I think it's doing well.
Hell yeah. Let's go. Let's go.
You can, yeah. With the fucking Apple headphones on.
The noise cancellation?
Yeah, he's like, yeah, I hear nothing. Look at them all come. Yep. Dude, you left me hanging! Bro! Bro! Jesus Christ! That thing is insane! You do be looking like Saranster in that helmet.
Same size, I'm tan.
really want to steal Zilly's water. It won't come out.
I felt something. Little bastard.
I was gonna steal it. I'm thirsty.
You gotta get it. Hit my head.
Yeah, I got it. I didn't know that's what we were doing here.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
There we go. Yes, sir. Here he goes. Yep. He's still going. Oh, baby. Almost hit the cone. Look at him go. Thanks, dude. I think I'm high now. Sheesh, and we're back to this spot that we, I think we came here a couple nights ago, or yesterday, rather. Beautiful on the water, though. Look at this. Wheelies, water. Come on now. Wow. That was dope. I f***ing love this. So much arm pump. Look at these two. Is he gonna come back up in the wheelie? God damn. What's up?
We're close though.
All right, are we going back there?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah, somebody turned my key off.
Well, guys, we're heading back to the B&B right now. There's a night ride tonight. I think I'm going to end this video because it's going to be long as just for the day ride, but I hope you enjoyed this. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We have so many more videos to come, even in Tampa, but I'll catch you next time. Peace. Sorry about the mic.